December 65 by 50 cm is part of Anna Dittmann's calendar series, and each one of the months in her series come with electric diamonds. The bigger it is, the more electric diamonds it will come with. So for this particular painting, we're just showing you areas that you can place the electric diamonds. That would be mainly the snowflake on her forehead. You can also sprinkle it in the background and also sprinkle it in the petals of the flowers and pretty much just place it where you'd like to add more glitter and glisten to your December diamond painting.